In front of me is Realme Narzo N53, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. First of all, go into Devices Settings and choose Connected Devices right away. Then tap on Connection Preferences, select Printing and default print service. If this sorter is not already on, you need to click on it and then wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you wish to use different service, disable this one first. Go back and tap on Add Service below the default one. Now just download the best one for you. And when it's ready, go back to the same settings. Lastly, just click on your new service and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!